me, ow, ow. Recently I was out for a drive, minding my own business, just enjoying the scenery, and, well, unfortunately, this happened. That was fun. What the hell is that? What? Stop clicking! Every time I change gear, what is that clicking? I need to pull in and find out what it is. I have to find the problem. I really need to find the problem. I will avenge you. For a broken piece of plastic. So this is the source of the clicking. This. What remains of the blue thing, as it's known on online circles, which is hard to find information about this thing, but basically what this is the little piece of plastic that allows the clutch to stop from another big piece of plastic going into a hole. These are quite rare to find, to be honest, but some say that you should really just put a piece of tape around the clutch pedal and that stops the wee plastic bit from going inside the hole. But to be honest, after much research online, I know what part it is, and thankfully, as luck would have it today, I go everywhere with bits and pieces in my boot, and what a stroke of luck! Would you look at that? We've got the right part right here. Thank God for that. This car just never ceases to amaze me and its usefulness. Now, it's just a case of a bit of human origami to find out if I can fit the damn thing. This is going to be fun. It's a good job we're right at the side of the road for this. Nobody's looking, nobody's interested, so that's the main thing. So yeah, the bit in question is just underneath here. How the hell am I meant to get up there? You're meant to get, you know... I didn't do yoga. Jesus. I don't know if anyone's aware of this, but I'm not a very svelte man. I wouldn't really call myself nimble either. How the hell are you meant to get to this damn servo? Let's give this a shot. So the hole's up here somewhere. That's the hole that the damn thing's clicking on. The actuator or whatever. That's it there. Yes. My life. How am I going to need to lean in over? How are you meant to get? Alright, I see it. Right. So you only need about 6 hands to do this. Oh, me. Ow. Ow. Oh, here we go. Oh! Oh! Success. F*** me. I'm not doing that again. I'm just going to sit down here for a minute. Fitted these when I first got the car as well, by the way. Just admire these for a minute. I'm not stuck. The car had Momo ones on it originally that didn't fit, so had to sort that out myself. But no more click by the sounds of it. Let's get back out on the road and find out if that's done the trick. There's only one way to put this to the test. Let's find out if the clicking occurs, and have we done an immaculately good job. How to test it though? Second. No click! No click anymore! I fixed it! I did that. Me, all by myself. I mean, I'll grant you, it's literally putting a tiny plastic grommet in a hole, but totally worth doing yourself. Imagine actually taking that into a garage to do. That'll be £340 for labour, sir. Oh, and we'll need the car for 4 days, obviously. I'm only kidding. But yeah, that's it. I'll put a link in the description below to the part, the genuine part. I got it from Autolink here in the UK. You can order these parts from all sorts of different websites, I think. Don't do what some people have done and literally just attach a piece of sellotape with a coin inside it to the pedal. If you're going to do this, don't do it at all. But yeah, after 20 odd years of good service, suppose you can't complain. New one fitted. Hopefully I don't have to get down in there again anytime soon. And if you have been, as always, thanks for watching. I'm going to go and have some fun changing gear pointlessly for no good reason. Click, gone.